Hi everyone, it's me, Clars, and welcome back to my channel. And nandito na naman ako ulit just to tell you and just to talk about my experience dito sa Magiliw Ball na napuntahan ko. This happened last November 30, 2022, where nakamit ko or nakita ko yung alamat, but actually yung pinaka main focus talaga dito was to interact sa mga kapwa Magiliws. It was just pinakita yung or nagpakita yung alamat by the almost end na ng show, but it really it was fun kasi nagkaroon ng mga games, and then I get to know a lot of people and meet yung mga fellow Magiliws na mga nasa table, and even other people or other fans na nandun sa Magiliw Ball. It was really a fun experience because it's my first time ever na nagkaroon or pumunta sa isang fan-initiated na event, because I don't usually go to these kinds of events. Well, I've been to concerts, yung mga convention, one time sa isang K-pop convention, and then some mall tours, and yun, meron din ako mga napuntahan, mga beauty events, but in a fan-initiated one, never had an experience like this, so it was really new to me. It was exciting, and ako lang talaga mag-isa, because usually pag mga concert kasama yung kapatid ko, pero this beauty event, friends ko naman, and this time it's just me, myself, and I. So sobrang kakaiba yung experience na wala akong kilala, pero I get to meet cool people and even see Alamat live, and they dance. So I will be putting yung mga clips na mga nakuha ko when nung nandun sila. Yeah, so these are the next steps.
adlibs. Pero kung gusto niyo ng gayuma,
Gusto namin!
Goku! Hindi na ako shoot. Para sa akin maharani adlibs. Kasi ganun kayo kalupit ko na kalupit yung mga adlibs. Mga adlibs doon, ganun kayo kalupit.
Yes. Sample! Sample!
Paano raw yung adlib na kalimutan
Ay, alam mo yun eh, memories mo yun, di ba?
Crisis! Crisis!
Adlibs, maharani, pabiyan. Pag-ibig mo ay makamtan. Hey! Yo.
Wala sa inisipan, ibalik ko pang natigil sa iba. Di ko maring mag-iwata-wata na kayo. Dumadalo na sa aking ulo hanggang pababa. Baby, don't trip, but no. You got it, I can't get enough of that body. I'm gonna have to scream my name. Come on, take a ride, as your neighbors know me.
We had dinner din pala, and yun, ang sarap ng food, especially yung chocolate. Yay! And then we had time na makapag-picture sa alamat members ng isa-isa, pero yung bias ko lang yung nagkaroon ako ng picture with, which is si Mo. Maybe next time na lang with others. Nakita ko rin kasi ang dami nagpapapicture, so like okay na lang, sige na lang, tanggapin na lang natin yung katotohanan. But I have a solo photo up na meron dun sa well, it's an official kasi, so it will be uploaded soon, I think, through Facebook, and abangan na lang for that kung kailan man ma-upload yon. That's it for this video. I hope that you liked this video, so give this video a thumbs up if nagustuhan niyo po siya. You can subscribe to my channel if gusto niyo rin. And then you can follow me on my social media accounts na makikita niyo dun sa description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.